Hi everyone, welcome back. This is hole number 6. There's two different ways I like playing this. One's with a quarterback and one's with an extra mile. With the quarterback, you see that sand trap there just to the right of the fairway. What you're doing is you're setting your quarterback up so that the red touches the rough before the sand trap. Then you're playing it at 0% elevation. You're using a kingmaker. You're going 3 top, 3 right. Then you're curling the ball so that the left of the ball is into the center part of the thick white ring, adjustment ring. So left of the ball, thick right adjustment ring, right in the center of it. That's your curl. So that's how I would play a quarterback. But I like to use a extra mile, 6, 7, 8, whatever you have here with this particular shot. I like this shot a little bit better because you can get it further down here, and you pretty much got a set point where it's going to land all the time, and it works really nice for a second shot towards the hole. So we go 1 back, 1 right, tighten, and you can see this is played at 10% elevation. And what we're doing here is we're looking at how far that wind's, you can see the wind direction. So you know that's going to pull us probably about 1.42 rings to the left there. So we're looking at the pole. We're giving it a slight bit of curl and just a hair bit of overpower just to make sure we miss. And you can see we missed it by quite a bit. See, it depends on your wind. Sometimes you might not need any overpower whatsoever. So you could mark down the yardage if you want. And that leaves us with this for a second shot here. Sniper, high accuracy club. And we're going 10% elevation with this shot. And this is, once you get a knack of this, this is played similar to pro as well. Look at the bounce. It hits the edge of the fairway, the beginning of the fringe, I should say. And the ball guide stops about a couple squares short of the hole. If you look up my setup in pro, this is the exact same way as pro. The only difference in pro, I believe we went with 0% elevation, and here we're going with 10% elevation. No spin, I believe. And there you have it. You got yourself a albatross. So that works fairly well. So it's just a matter of looking at the ball guide, looking at the bounces for that particular shot. And like I said, your drive basically sets up your second shot. Sets it up quite nicely, actually. So that's it. A look at that hole. And we'll catch you on the 7th.